It's not a fun topic.
Buttons.
And a lot of people don't even know what restoration is. You know, you get calls, do you refinish cabinets? You get calls, I got a historic home and I'm trying to, bring it back to its current condition. That the restoration industry is restoring after damage, whether it's fire, flood. I would go out on a limb. You guys have been here 68?
Since 67.
Since 67. Probably not done any tornado damage repair.
No, we did.
Or hurricane.
We had some pretty high winds, if you'll remember, back in the Deer Valley area years ago that really rocked our world. And that was the closest that we ever came. In fact, we talked to a lot of restoration companies across the country that live in areas where they have things like tornadoes and hurricanes. And so people in those areas are a little bit more in tune with what might happen, right? But here in the beautiful weather of Phoenix, Arizona, we don't have so much to worry about. Although people are surprised at the amount of water damage we do because they say, we guys don't get any rain.
That's
I say, when it comes all at one time.
Man.
And but we have slab leaks, right? We have pipes underground and slab leaks that could cause damage. So